Now, ternary operators are basically used to simplify the simple conditional statements, and they consist of three parts. First one is the condition which we want to evaluate, and first value, this will return when the condition is tested true. Second value, which is going to return when the condition is false. Now see the syntax here. This first value is going to be assigned to this x when this condition results to true. In case the condition becomes false, the second value will be assigned to this x. For example, if we have taken two variables a and b holding 10 and 20, now in this context, a is going to behave like first value, and this a less than b is nothing but the condition, and second value is nothing but your b. Now because this a less than b, 10 less than 20 is true, hence the first value is assigned to this min. As a result, this is going to produce the result 10. These ternary operators can also be nested. Let us see. Here we have taken three variables representing 20, 10, 30. And here we have used, let's say in this context, this a is your first value and there is a condition, and else this entire part I am going to consider as my second value. In the second value altogether, if we see, we have again, if I consider only this portion, I can say this is the first value, this is the condition, and this is the second value. So now when I check here, 20 less than 10, this condition is false. As a result, when I'm joining with AND, so obviously the entire condition becomes false. When the entire condition becomes false, it goes to the else. And in the else, there is a quaternary once again. So now how does it work? Once again, we'll check B less than C. So 10 less than 30, it is true. Because this is true, then the first value will be assigned. What will be assigned to min then? B, which is nothing but 10. So out of these three, 10 is the smallest value.